Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you an interesting lesson. The chapter is 6. Okay, chapter 6. The name of the lesson is Tolstoy Form. Okay, Tolstoy Form. So it is written by whom you know? The famous person, great leader, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so it's a very interesting story. I'm going to explain each and every paragraph so that you can enjoy the lesson. I'm also enjoy the lesson, and we can know about more about Gandhiji. Okay, so last lesson, what lesson we have completed? Do you remember? Every lesson before they have given the hints of the previous lesson and about the hints of the present lesson. Okay. So we have been moved much by the maternal love shown by the Chinaman's wife. Here is the university of love practiced by Gandhiji that embodies all human values. So previous lesson we have studied about the Chinaman. What is the lesson name? Did you remember the lesson name? It's a maternity. Okay, so in that lesson, Chinaman chose the love to the refugee. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the university of love practiced by Gandhiji. Okay, so this is an extract from Gandhiji's autobiography. Okay, so this lesson was extract means taken from autobiography, the story of my experience with truth. This is a beautiful book, that is the autobiography written by Gandhiji. So most of them, they would have read this book. Okay, it's a very interesting book wrote by Gandhiji itself. Autobiography means they write about their own experience, that is autobiography. So Gandhiji written in that the story of my experience with truth, everything, each and everything he describing in that book, where he described his life with the inmates of the Tolstoy Form. Inmates means prisoners. Okay, inmates means prisoners. So here in this Tolstoy Form, he is describing the life of the inmates of the Tolstoy Form. Okay, what do you mean by Tolstoy Form? It's very what is different? No, I will tell you. Okay. So the story was written by Mahatma Gandhi. It's autobiography. Before learning that, we have to read about Gandhiji. Okay, it's very important to know about Gandhiji. So what is the full name of Gandhiji? You know, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. October 2nd, 1869, 30th January 1948. The father of the nation was the prominent leader of freedom movement in India. Non-violence was the unique weapon he used. Okay, non-violence was the unique weapon he used. He deals for non-violence, truth, peace and relevant even today. So he was dealing with violence means fighting, war and everything. So he was dealing with non-violence, truth, peace or relevant even today. Okay, so it's about Gandhiji. They have given about the author. Now we are going to see that. Tolstoy Form was a community of Indians started by Gandhiji in Transvaal, South Africa in 1910. Okay, Tolstoy Form was a community of Indians. It's a group of community. They started. Okay, they started the Tolstoy Form by Gandhiji. Okay, by Gandhiji in where the place is Transvaal, South Africa in 1910. It became the headquarters of the campaign of Satyagraha non-violence. The farm 21 miles away from Johannesburg. So where is the farm? 21 miles away from Johannesburg. Johannesburg is a place. Had been bought by Herman Kallenbach. Okay, Herman Kallenbach, one of Gandhiji's supporters. So Gandhiji along with one person is Herman Kallenbach. Okay, Kallenbach. It's all foreign names. So we have the pronunciation is little bit different only. Herman Kallenbach. So both Kallenbach and Gandhiji were highly impressed by Tolstoy writings. So the meaning we should know about, Tolstoy is a writer. He was a Russian writer. Both Kallenbach and Gandhiji were highly impressed by Tolstoy writing. Okay, Tolstoy is a writer. So they were impressed by the writing. Okay, they read more about Tolstoy stories and everything. So they have given the name. Okay, they initiate the name Tolstoy farm. So they decided to name the farm after Tolstoy. Okay, so they have decided to name the farm after Tolstoy. The inmates of the farm were schooled by Gandhiji himself. So there are prisoners in that place, in that farm. It is were controlled by Gandhiji himself. Okay, Gandhiji is controlled by that farm. Okay. So do you understand? So it is a ashramam. Okay, ashramam like that. Okay, it's a full of place. It's occupied, and most of them is inmates. Inmates means prisoners. Okay, prisoners, and so many people are there. So it was organized by Gandhiji and his friend. Okay, Kallenbach and Gandhiji. And then what happened? It's full control by Gandhiji himself. So now we are going to see what is happening in the Tolstoy farm. Okay, what is happening in the Tolstoy farm? What are the training they are giving to the people? Okay, understand? So here, as the farm grew, it was found necessary to make some provision for the education of its boys and girls. For what happened, there are boys and girls is there. It is necessary to give education for the boys and girls. Okay, education for the boys and girls. It is necessary. So in that farm, there are boys and girls. There are so many people are there. It's necessary to give them education. Okay, they were among these. What types of people? What types of people is there? They are list outing there. They were among Hindu, Muslim, Parsi, Christian boys and Hindu boys. It was not possible, and I did not think it necessary to engage special teachers for them. So what happened? All of you listen. This was everything was describing by Gandhiji himself. Okay, Gandhiji is speaking to us. He is writing to us what are the experience he had in the farmhouse. So he was telling. So what he was telling was, it was not possible, and I did not think it necessary to engage special teachers for them. So it is not possible to bring a special teachers and teach for the boys and girls. We don't know what the reason. Okay, it was not possible for qualified Indian teachers were scarce. So why it is not possible to bring a qualified teachers? Because it's very scarce, means a limited teachers only, qualified teachers is there. So it is not possible. Who is telling? Gandhiji himself telling. And then even when available, none would be ready to go to a place 21 miles distance from Johannesburg. So what happened? The distance also very, very far away. No one is willing to go to the place and teach in that place. Also, we certainly not overflowing with money. So what Gandhiji is telling, and certainly we don't have much money to give to the teachers. And I did not think it necessary to import teachers from outside the firm. So I don't want to think to bring the foreign teachers. Okay, import teachers means foreign teachers outside of the firm, and they will teach. It's not necessary, he is telling. I did not believe in the existing system of education, and I had a mind to out by experience and experiment the true system. So what Gandhiji is felt is not believing in the existing system. Existing system means what is running, no, what we are following, that is not that time. Okay, not now, that time he was telling. That time he is not believing in the existing. I don't believe in the existing system. Okay, I had a mind to find out my experience and experience the true system. I want to find out a new experience and experiment the true system. Okay, he was telling. So this lesson was beautifully a beautiful, wonderful. We can enjoy the story. Gandhiji himself, he was telling his own experience. Okay, what are the difficulties he was facing in that Tolstoy form. So next class we will enjoy with this lesson, and I will teach you. Next class we will continue the same lesson. Okay, so until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.